Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start right in Settings so we don't waste time. First, unlock your phone and open Settings, then go straight to Display. Once there, locate Theme or Dark Theme and don't hesitate, tap the toggle to enable dark mode. You're doing this because dark reduces eye strain and on OLED phones, it helps battery life. Make sure you note whether the toggle is system-wide or app-specific. That determines where the change will apply next. Once done with the basic toggle, customize how dark mode behaves. You can choose system default versus forcing dark manually. System follows a schedule if you set one. Tap schedule and pick sunset to sunrise or enter a custom time so dark mode turns on automatically. Also, make sure to check battery saver settings. Enabling it can force dark in some Android versions and conserve power. Finally, inspect individual app settings for exceptions so everything looks consistent. You're almost finished. Verify the UI across Home, Apps, and Quick Settings to ensure dark mode applied. If a particular app still shows light UI, restart the phone or toggle dark off and on to force a refresh. Make sure apps are updated. Some require app-level dark settings or an update to support system themes. If a single app refuses to switch, clear its cache or check its appearance setting. That troubleshooting step resolves most stubborn cases quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.